fried pickles. Coat those pickles in seasoned flour so it's not bland. Now we'll make our wet batter. You need a cup of flour-ish, and then you want to season that with some paprika, some pepper, and some salt, maybe some garlic and some other things of what you like. Add in your eggs and whip them around. Now add some milk, probably about a cup, because I definitely ended up adding more. I just eyeballed it. I don't really know. You want it like a pancake mix consistency, and you got your panko right there, and we're ready to dredge. I would also advise seasoning your panko a little bit, just a little bit. And there is our first beautiful pickle. Place them in the freezer so they don't fall apart when you're frying. Yeah, just burn your house down. And let the frying begin. And our first fried pickle, isn't it beautiful? And that's how you make fried pickles.